Hi, welcome to my channel. Myself, KK Singh, and I'm a Google certified trainer and innovator as well. So, in the sequence of Google applications, today I have brought a new application, not new application, rather I'm repeating that application, that is artificial intelligence, but the application is different in such a way that the students can use the application for their need and for their ease. Since people or students are scared of mathematics, so today I am going to create an application which can make the mathematics a bit easy. For that, what I'll do, I'll create a front end, and front end I'll create in HTML hypertext markup language. Why hypertext markup language? Because the document created using HTML can be created and can be opened in any browser, whether this is Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or whichever browser you want. So HTML document can be opened anywhere. So I'm using Google Chrome to create that front end, and in addition I'll be using Gemini to create the front end. And after creating the front end, I'll use application program interface, and that will create a key. That key I'll supply to or I'll give to the front end, and after the key, that front end or that application will work for mathematics. So I'm going to create a mathematics tutorial for the students. So let's say if I'll create this application for solving, say, the quadratic equation in 10th class. So let's see. Let's move to our Google Gemini. So here this is. To open Google Gemini, you will have to write in the browser window gemini.google.com. So here this is Gemini in window. Here I'll have to write the prompt. So this is the prompt: mathematics for CBSE 10th grade students using a front end in HTML and a backend using an API from AI Google Studio or Google AI Studio. Now click. So now this is creating a front end using HTML. So it will create the entire front end. It will show you the front end, also the interface, which you'll see after creating this HTML page. So we'll have to wait till it creates. So see here, this is creating the front page, maths tutorial, AI tutorial. So it has given the name CBC 10th maths tutorial, and this is the code, and it is keeps on generating the code. So see here that the code has generated, and now it is asking, and this is the prompt. So here you can write the question, and this time I'm going to copy this entire code. I have copied this code, and now I'll make it I'll create an HTML file which will have the extension HTML. So I'll create Notepad, and in Notepad I'll paste this code, and we'll save this, save as, say, maths tutorial, maths tutorial dot html. So the file is saved in documents folder. So save this file, cross it, and close Gemini, and come to math tutorial. This is in documents. So here this is. So if I double click this, it opens the interface or the front end. Now you need Google AI Studio API key. So how to get the API key? For that I have to go to aistudio.google.com and enter API key, create API, CBSE 10th maths. CBSE 10th maths API key. Okay, now create. It starts creating. Now the project is created. Now it will create the key. So it has created a key. So here this is the key. Now copy this key and paste this key in this text box. And after pasting this key, you can write the question. So I say solve x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Let's see what does it give. So see the solution. AI is thinking and producing the output. So this is how quadratic equation is solved using AI. So see here, understand the goal, multiply to give the constant terms. Again, I give this solve do not use dollar as prefix with the variable name. So x square minus 5x is equal to 0. So here this is the solution. So that is the great quadratic equation. Is in practice we saw x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 using the method splitting and middle term. So this way it solves the quadratic equation. So hope you like it, and if you like it, kindly give some more questions in this application. It tries to solve for you. Another question I'm going to take, say factorize x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Factorize. Oh, wrong. So it is wrong. It is wrong. It is wrong. Solve x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So here you see, so hope this is I think correct. So this way we can create the app using Google API. Since Google API is available free of cost, and if you know about HTML, you'll be able to create your own front end. Otherwise, you can take help of ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So, hope you understood the concept of creating the application, a front end, and other applications, and you know about the APIs, Google API, how to paste this API in the front end so that it works accordingly as per the API shared with it. So, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.